Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We are starting standing up. I'm going to face you so you can see the movements, but you can stand at the top of your mat. Reach your arms up overhead for your mountain pose. Take your right hand and grab your left wrist as you lean over to the right for a side body stretch. Come back to center. And now grab your right wrist and lean over to the left for a side body stretch. Back to center and forward fold. Reach forward. Shake your legs out, bending and straightening. Halfway lift, hands come to your shins, your back is flat. Forward fold. Slowly roll up to standing as you bring your hands to heart center and quietly say to yourself, I am confident. Take a deep breath. Reach your arms overhead for mountain pose and side body stretch to the right. Back to mountain pose. Side body stretch to the left. Back to mountain pose. Micro back bend. Cactus your arms open, drop your head back. Mountain pose, forward fold, drop your head, halfway lift, lengthen your spine, and make your way onto your hands and knees for tabletop. Cow pose, arch your back as you look up at the ceiling. Cat pose, round your spine as you tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Stay in your cat pose as you shift your hips back onto your heels. And now shift forward onto your forearms. Press yourself up into your cow and cat pose. Keep your spine rounded. Send your hips back onto your heels for child's pose. Rest your forehead, walk your hands forward, and breathe. Think about what confidence means to you. How can you remain confident during this yoga flow and during your everyday life? Let's make our way into a high plank. Your body is in a straight line. Curl those toes under, and you're looking down. And downward facing dog. Let's shake our legs out in this first down dog. And now straighten your legs. Press into your palms. Lift your heels up high. And now lower your heels down. Again, lift your heels, come up on the tippy toes. And lower down. Look forward and step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Mountain pose, reach your arms up. Side body stretch to the right. Mountain pose. Side body stretch to the left. Mountain pose. Open arm twist to the right. Send your right arm behind you, left arm forward. Back to your mountain pose. Open arm twist to the left. Mountain pose. Micro back bend. Mountain pose. And forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank. Plant your palms, step your feet back, and let's hold this plank. You can do it. Shift forward as you lower down onto your belly. Clasp your hands behind you for locust pose as you lift your legs and your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower down, open your legs a little bit wider as you press up into a full cobra, maybe dropping your head back. And let's come back into our child's pose. Make your way back into your tabletop. And let's extend our right leg behind us. Reach your left arm forward. Take an inhale. Exhale, crunch, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Again, we extend. And we crunch. Extend. Lower your left hand. And step your right foot forward for a low crescent lunge. You can keep your hands down or you can reach your arms up. Maybe you look up as well. Lower your hands as you straighten your front leg for your half splits, flexing that front foot. Rebend your front leg, coming back into that lunge. This time we curl the toes under and straighten that back leg. Reach your arms up for your high crescent lunge. Spin your back heel down for warrior two, looking over your front hand. Flip your front palm for reverse warrior, reaching up and back. Straighten your front leg for reverse triangle. And now you reach your right arm forward as much as possible and lower it down for triangle pose. Let's circle that left arm down and behind our back for a bind, and maybe you even hook it onto the inner thigh. Let's reach our left arm up. And now we lower it down as we pivot, coming into that low lunge. Three-legged dog, send your right leg up and back. And downward facing dog. Shift forward, high plank. And lower down onto your belly, coming into your locust pose. Lower down and let's press into our full cobra. We come back into our tabletop, extending our left leg behind us this time. Reach your right arm forward. You take an inhale, and you crunch on the exhale, elbow to knee. We extend, and we crunch. Extend, and crunch. Extend as you lower your right hand down, stepping your left foot forward for your low crescent lunge with the option to lift your arms.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop it.
And we make our way into our half splits.
Pull me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to
Rebend your front knee coming into your lunge. Curl your back toes under as you straighten your back leg and you reach your arms up. Spin your back heel down, open up for Warrior 2. Flip your front palm for Reverse Warrior, reaching up and back. And let's straighten that front leg, Reverse Triangle. Reach that left arm forward all the way until you lower your hand for Triangle Pose. Circle your right arm down, around, and behind your low back for a bind. Reach your right arm up and then lower that hand down as you pivot, coming into your low lunge. Three-legged dog, send your left leg up and back. And downward facing dog. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Forward fold. Chair pose, sit your hips low. And we stand, bringing our hands to heart center and taking a deep breath. And now for a pose that requires us to be confident, let's do our dancer pose. Reach behind you with your right hand, grabbing onto your right ankle as you reach your left arm high. Now you can stay just like this, but if you want to go a little bit deeper, begin to kick your leg into your hand, lifting it and lifting your arm. Just 3 more seconds. 2, and lower it down. Let's do that same thing on the other side. Reach behind you with that left hand, grab your foot or your ankle as you reach your right arm up. Stay here or begin to lift your leg. Find something to focus on right in front of you and continue to reach that arm up. Continue to kick up and back, and if you fall out, you get right back in. And we lower down. Great job. Super proud of you. Reach your arms up, mountain pose. And forward fold. Open your legs a little bit wider for Malasana. Turn your toes out and sit your hips low. You can keep your hands down or you can bring your hands to heart center, using your elbows to press your knees out. Let's have a seat with our legs straight out in front of us. Reach your arms up overhead and forward fold. Lower onto your back, hugging your knees into your chest. Maybe you rock gently from side to side. Relax your legs and your arms onto the mat. Close your eyes for your final pose, Shavasana. And as you lie here, I want to read you a quote by Marianne Williamson. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine, as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within. It is not just in some of us, it is in everyone. How do you plan to show up as a more confident person? Really think about that for a few moments. Let's end class with one final inhale and exhale out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to show up as your most confident self today. I know that you can do it.